Welcome to the informative CUBOT Tablet 10, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sound section. After that we can see here a ring and notification volume panel, and just to unmute our device ringtone we should hold and swipe to the right side this green dot, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. First, we should press up or down volume button here on the right side of our phone device, and after that we'll see here the settings icon. Click here once, and just to unmute this volume panel we should hold and swipe to the right side this dot, and then just tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.